Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat datang kembali di channel Adi Dubonda. Kali ini kita akan healing ke tempat wisata Pantai Ilir bersama pasukan-pasukan saya, guys. Pasukan tempur, kita pergi ke Pantai Ilir. Oke guys, selamat menikmati. Pembalap guys, kita udah sampai di jembatan Bateli. Kita mandi di Bateli. Wah, turun. Nah, jurang guys. Halo guys, kolam itu guys. Inilah teman-teman pemandangan dari bawah jembatan Krung Bateli. Airnya sangat dingin guys.
It's midnight, we're going all night. Can you pass a drink to get the vibe right? Don't feel like having a Bud Light. It's tequila with some salt and lime. Oh my, am I alright? Thanks for asking, doing just fine. Can you say that you're looking real nice? We'll have to chat right now before I get high. When you came to my eyes, I feel like I'm on cloud nine. You bang harder than 4th of July. I think I can go all night, yeah. The way you bite your lips, blush is all you get. You're just so stunning. I've been feeling nothing lately when without you. I know that something special made me think about you.
Dan inilah pasukan saya guys. Sudah kelamaan di air dan terakhir kelaparan. Kakak Iki. Wah, makan-makan. Oke teman-teman, cukup sekian video dari saya tentang wisata Pantai Ilir. Terima kasih telah berkunjung. Mohon dukungannya untuk kemajuan channel ini dengan cara like, subscribe, komen, dan share. Terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.